another feature on graphing calculators is you can turn graphs into tables. If you are on Desmos, you click here, click the star, and click on the table, and it will give you a list of the values. And then I'm sure if you delete this and put a 3, it'll change. Put a 4, it'll calculate it. Put a 6, it'll calculate it. Put a negative 99, it'll calculate it. So it does have the ability to create a table and for you to fill in. And then if you turn that one off and turn this one on and do this and go table, it'll show you that table also. And so if you have a quadratic and you need a list of table values, you can do that. If it's wanting -5 instead, you can type in a -5 and it will recalculate for that value.